Hello everyone. Welcome back to ProMind classes. Hope that you all are doing well. As we are continuing with our NCRT series, we are doing Class 7th Geography NCRT. And today we are going to discuss chapter number 7, Human Environment, Settlement, Transport and Communication. So, the topics which we are going to cover in the chapter are the following: settlement, types of settlement, transport, and communication. So, settlement. Settlements are places where people build their homes. And settlements can be of two types: temporary settlements, which are occupied for a short time, are called temporary settlements. And the examples are the people living in deep forest, hot and cold deserts, and mountains. And the second one is permanent settlement. Settlements, which are made to live in for a long time, are called permanent settlement. Example: people build homes to live in. Now we will discuss about rural settlements. The village are rural settlements where people are engaged in activities like agriculture, fishing, forestry, craft work, and trading, etc. Rural settlements can be compact or shattered. A compact settlement is closely a built area of dwelling wherever flat land is available. In shattered settlement, dwellings are spaced over an extensive area. This type of settlement is mostly found in hilly tracts, thick forest, and regions of extreme climate. In rural areas, people build houses to suit their environment. In region of heavy rainfall, houses have slanting roofs. In region where water accumulates in rainy season, houses are constructed on a raised platform or stilts. And in the area of hot climate, thick mud-walled houses with thatched roofs are made. Now we will discuss about urban settlements. The towns are small and the cities are larger in urban settlements. In urban areas, the people are engaged in manufacturing, trading, and service. Now we will discuss about transport. Transport is the means by which people and goods move. In earlier days, people had to walk and use animals to carry their goods. With the passage of time, different means of transport developed, but even today, people use animals for transport. And there are some examples you can see in India. Donkeys, mules, bullocks, and camels are common animals that are used for transportation. In the Eden's Mountain of South America, llamas are used, and in Tibet, yaks are used as a common transport animals. Now you can see the four major means of transport are roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. Now we will discuss each of this in a little bit detail. So let's get started with roadways. Roadways are most commonly used means of transport, especially for short distance. Roads are classified into two types: melted, that is pakka, and unmelted, that is kacha. The plains have a dense network of roads. Roads are also present in terrains like desert, forest, and even high mountains. Manali Leh Highway in the Himalayan mountains is one of the highest roadways in the world. Roads built underground are called subway or underpath. Flyovers are built over raised structures. Now we will discuss about railways. The railways carry heavy goods and people over long distance quickly and cheaply. Today's diesel and electric engines have largely replaced the steam engines. In places, superfast trains have been introduced to make the journey faster. The railway network is well developed over the plain areas. With the advanced technology skills, railway lines are also being laid in difficult mountain terrains also. However, these are lesser in numbers. Indian railway network is well developed and largest in Asia. Now we will discuss about waterways. Waterways are the cheapest for carrying heavy and bulky goods over a long distance. And waterways are mainly of two types: inland waterways and sea routes. Inland waterways. Navigable rivers and lakes are used as an inland waterways. Important inland waterways are Ganga Brahmaputra River System, the Great Lakes in North America, and the River Nile in Africa. Now we will discuss about sea routes. Sea routes and oceanic routes are mostly used for transporting merchandise and goods from one country to another. These routes are connected with the ports. Important ports of the world: Singapore and Mumbai in Asia, New York, Los Angeles in North America, Rio de Janeiro in South America, Durban and Cape Town in Africa, Sydney in Australia, London, and Rotterdam in Europe. Now we will discuss about airways. Airways is the fastest way of transport developed in earlier 20th century. It is also the most expensive due to the high cost of fuels. Air traffic is adversely affected by bad weathers like fog and storms. It is the only mode of transport to reach the most remote and distant areas, especially where there are no roads and railways. Helicopters are extremely useful in most inaccessible area and in times of calamities for rescuing people and distributing food, water, clothes, and medicines. Important airports are Delhi, Mumbai, New York, London, Paris, Frankfurt, and Cairo. Now we will discuss about communication. Communication is the process of conveying messages to others. The advancement in the field of communication has brought about an information revolution in the world. Different modes of communication are used to provide information, to educate, as well as to entertain. Newspaper, radio, and televisions are called mass media as they can communicate with a large number of people. Also, in communication, you can see it is divided into two categories: satellite and internet. Satellites have made communication even faster. Satellites have helped in oil exploration, survey of forest, underground water, mineral wealth, weather forecast, and disaster warning. Wireless telephonic communication through cellular phones have become very popular today. Internet. We can send electronic mails or emails through internet. Internet provides us with worldwide information and interaction. We can also reserve tickets for railway, airways, and even cinemas and hotels sitting at home. So, here we have completed this entire chapter about settlement, transport, and communication. Hope that all your concept regarding this chapter is cleared. Hope that you like this video. Do share this video and thanks a lot for subscribing our channel. If you are new here, then please do subscribe our channel, press the bell icon so every time we upload a new video, you get notified. Thanks a lot for your precious time over here. Have a nice day. Stay tuned with ProMind.